keep the the interactions going on. Now, especially because COVID has put a lot of restrictions in travel, so virtual meetings are feasible. And I would hope that this is only a beginning of the process, because in the end of the day, there's so much of potential that India has in terms of IT. Indian industry represents over 17,000 leading IT firms which are cost effective, and it has made a mark all over the world, including in Indonesia. You would know that Gojek, which is a decacorn, migrated from a phone-based app to an IT-based app with the help of the India Silicon Valley, Bangalore. This has been acknowledged by none other than Mr. Nadim Makrim, who is now your minister. So that is, in fact, the very basis on which I think the Indonesia should be looking at India, in terms of what is the potential that India has to offer, the Indian IT has to offer. The most important is that when you're looking at the four IR, that is the fourth industrial revolution, which Indonesia is wanting to introduce in all aspects of their business and industry. If they want to leapfrog in their mandate, I think India will be ready to stand side by side and become a major sourcing destination for Indonesia. Currently, Indian IT has got almost 55% of the global market share, and it has become a digital hub of the world, with 75% of digital talent all over the world coming from India. So the country itself is actually also evolving in that sense. We are, I think, made it a lead point to also enrich ourselves in the modern tools of the fourth industrial revolution, including in big data analytics, the internet of training, and all other aspects of the new frontiers of the technology in information technology. And in fact, some estimates put that close to 1.5 to $2 billion is spent by India in manpower training. So I would particularly request Ibu Hardini to kindly relay today's interaction among the 2,300 members, and so that this can be the starting point for further interactions in order to capitalize the opportunities that is available on both sides. A full range of services can be provided by ESC, that is the today's organizing body from India, so far as IT solutions are concerned. So with that, I end my note, and I hope that this is only a beginning, and I'm sure that further interactions will see more traction from both sides. And thank you once again, Ibu Hardini, for
Yeah.
being present here. In fact, I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our Consul General in Medan. He is also today with us along with his team. So once again, thank you, Ibu Hardini, for joining, and wish you all the best. Terima kasih dan semoga sesi Anda bermanfaat. Terima
Oh,
kasih.
okay.
Thank you, Mr. Narayanan. Thank you very much for highlighting various opportunities which exist for collaboration between the two countries. Now, I would like to request Ms. Hardani for us to address the gathering.
Yes, okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for this precious time that we can communication, and then we can talk and then share. So I'm representing of GAPENSI. GAPENSI is the National Contractor Association in Indonesia. So this is very good time for us. It's because of even in the COVID in Indonesia now, we are still in the good rating. This is the data coming from the CEO World Magazine and then London Post. They are rating that the Indonesia is number 4, the best country for investment in the era pandemic. And then this category determination itu based on entrepreneurship, innovation, human resources, specialized technology, infrastructure, and then investor protection. Based on this, Indonesia have a big opportunities, especially is collaboration between the private sector and then the government. This is the time for us from the private sector, how we can collaboration to develop our country. Because of based on the presidential decree number 38 2015, ladies gentlemen, you can download in your Google presidential decree number 38 2015 about public-private partnership. Where in Indonesia we have a lot of opportunities, but our government is have a limited budget state to develop our country. So based on this presidential decree, open for the private sector can supporting development in 19 sectors. ICT is one of the sectors that concern from our government. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, in the public-private partnership, in here we have to categorize solicited project and unsolicited project. Solicited project, this is a project where is the government always publish a presidential decree every year. We call it, this is project strategic national. In every year is around 250 projects supporting from government. But the most important, it's because of we are here have a 34 province with the 19 sectors that this is already opened by the government. So it's a lot of opportunities, collaboration between the private sectors and then the government. Now, what we have to do now is creativity to do the collaboration. So, based on this situation, we are from Gapensi now, especially for my side, it's because of I'm in the international relations. I have a program to supporting contractors here, transforming a contractor transform to the investor. It's because of we have a lot of opportunities, and then we of course we need supporting from the skill, from the technology, especially in ICT. So through on this communication, this is we can start together. Maybe from Indian side, you can uh, give us the matrix, what kind of the company, and then the apa namanya company, and also for the description skills. So I want to making connection between our members because we have to hand in hand to develop my country because it's now especially because of COVID. ICT is very important because everything we start from digital. That's like now we have to start like a Zoom, and then everybody maybe for the payment paperless, all is by electronic, and then that's why we have 34 province. We need supporting from you, my partner here, of my country. What we need now, collaboration and then partnership. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Hardini,
Yes.
for kind words and highlighting various opportunities in private and government sectors in Indonesia. And surely we will share the details of all the participating companies with you,
Yes.
so that you can circulate it amongst your members, and then we can find out in which areas the Indian and Indonesian companies can collaborate further.
Yes.
And now I would like to request Vikrant to start introducing the Indian side participants one by one. Vikrant, over to you.
Yes.
Thank you, Vikas. Good afternoon, Mr. Narayanan, CGI, Ms. Hardini, delegates from Indonesia and delegates from India. So let me start alphabetically. I would like to invite Ms. Yasha from AM WebTech to kindly speak about the company and the core competencies. Ms. Yasha, please.
Hello, good afternoon to India and good afternoon to Indonesia. I am Yasha from Team WebTech. Team WebTech Climate Limited helps businesses to utilize digital platforms to help and open new doors of the business opportunities. And these digital systems are completely predictable, controllable, and easy to adopt, and provide consistent business growth. And we are 50 plus experts that serve to convert an idea into a success. We based our India, and it's in India, in the center of India, and it's not a limit for us. We are proud to serving more than 500 clients across the globe and adding continuously. Key activities we are involved in are web designing, web development, QA service testing, GIS application developments are our expertise, and SaaS application development, digital marketing, Google Cloud Server, Google Map APIs, and etc. And I must say that we are not bounded with the technology stack and geographical, and we are always focused to give the digital platform which provides you and consistent growth in your business. Thank you.
Mr. Vikram, please unmute.
Yeah, I would request Mr. Garg to kindly speak the core competencies of TechTech.
Kranti, your voice was not clear. What exactly you said?
I invited you to kindly speak out.
Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, friends. This is Anil Garg, Director of Checkbox Technology. We are a small company based in having development centers in Vietnam, Noida, Kolkata, and USA. We are a software design and development company having core strength in embedded technology. Currently having about 15 million embedded set-top boxes products in the customer homes in South and North American continent. With the features such as DVR, streaming, IoT capabilities. We have successfully developed and various software solutions to large enterprises and small enterprises also. We are into services also. We provide application solutions, designs and development, consulting. Technical resources. We have a special team for QA, quality analysis for the software projects. We also have products, various products with the data analytics built in them. And as per the pandemic time, we have developed some meeting minutes software, which is beyond meeting. Actually, we are talking on one of the platforms, WebEx also, but this is restricted to our conference itself. But our product here gives you beyond this also. Say you can manage the meetings with creating the MOMs and follow-ups of the meetings till you close the meeting agenda. So we have a similar. We are open to any kind of collaboration, be it financial and technical, be it technical, with anybody in Indonesia. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Garg. Now may I request Mr. Atish Bihani to kindly speak out. Mr. Atish, please.
Good afternoon and good evening to everyone. This is Atish Bihani from Eklavya Infosys Pune. We are basically doing a lot of software development, and we are got a product-based company also.
Mr. Atish, sorry, can you please turn on your video?
Okay. Yeah, this is Atish Bihani. This is Atish Bihani from Eklavya Infosys Pune, and we are basically a product-based company and a software development house, where we have got the products on the verticals of the complete ERP. Most of the top universities in the India and Gulf countries are using. Then we have got the complete payroll solution, asset inventory and purchase module. Then Government of India defense sector is using our e-office. And we have got a very good team for the RP also, robotic process automation, as well as on the AI tools, where the help is being taken by Tech Mahindra as well as Wipro also in the many projects. And we have got a hospital management where we have got 40% market share in the Gulf country, in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Qatar. And we are open for any type of collaboration in Indonesia, technical or financial, in whatever way the people want, or if they want, we can do the development of the software as per their requirement. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bihani. Now I would like to invite Mr. Gaurav from Nippon Data. Gaurav, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is Gaurav Nevetia from Nippon Data. So, and I'm sorry for, for the video thing because I'm not able to see anybody on my screen. So I'm just saving the bandwidth. So we are Nippon Data System and we are IT-enabled business solution provider for over 25 years now, and with a team size of around 350 people with us today. And we are into custom software development for government and other applications. Some of our homegrown products are ERP, CRM, BPM, supply chain management solutions, which we have been providing to a large number of customers, who's who of India, and we have been working in different countries like Thailand, UK, UAE, India as well. So, and we have been providing some kind of technical as well as professional manpower on contractual basis. We do technical workshops and training for customers, some custom build applications for them, any IT support and services. So yes, and we are also looking forward to business partnerships. So anyone who is interested, please feel free to connect with us anytime on the following details I'll share on the chat box. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav. I think I'm also with the Indian side. So I hope I'm not missing out any Indian. Because you can take it over to introduce Jakarta side from Indonesia. If anyone is there from Indonesian side.
Just 1 minute.
Hi from India. Still Neosoft Technologies is left, I guess.
Okay. Please carry on.
Yeah, hi. So, hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is Alex here from Neosoft Technologies. Just to give you a brief about us, we are a 23-year-old IT outsourcing and a software development house based out of India. When you talk about our employee strength, we are 2,000 plus employees across 7 development centers here in India. So when you say 2,000, so we have in-house 2,000 software engineers working on 100 plus technologies. And when you talk about our presence, yes, we have our presence in India as well as globally. So we have our development offices in APAC, Middle East, Europe, UK, and US. Uh, as far as our services are concerned, we cover almost all the services from basic services like website development, mobile app development, or any of the top emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, blockchain, or any of the supporting services like QA, testing, UI, UX, DevOps, digital marketing. So you can say we are a one-stop shop for all the IT needs that you have. And as far as engagement models are concerned, we work on end-to-end customized software development. We also provide staff augmentation as one of our core services that we have, and end-to-end product engineering is also what we do. So that is how we are placed here in India, and we are very much open to work with companies in Indonesia or any of the APAC regions. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex.
Yep.
So I think now we are over with the Indian side.
Can I request now Arjuna Kasuma to give a brief introduction?
I have requested our Consul General. He will Pa Ibu Erlina. Muted. Hello.
Yeah.
Mr. Yeah, I think the Consul General will speak now.
Okay.
Mr. Gururaj. Mr. Gururaj, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, ESE, for organizing this B2B. And thank you, Mr. Narayanan, for the introduction. And of course, you've been welcome, but my personal welcome to Ms. Ibu Ardini for taking part in this event. Today, from Sumatra, we had shortlisted a few companies.
Guru, sorry, can you please run on your video, please? So
Okay.
that we can see that.
Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, can you see me and hear me?
We can hear you but not see you. Please turn on your video.
My video is on.
But we can't see you.
From my side, it's on. Anyway,
okay, no problem.
Whenever it comes
carry on.
You can see it. So as I was saying that we had shortlisted about 6 companies to take part in today's event. And 3 of them had confirmed their participation. For some reason, for some technical reasons, they were unable to connect. We don't know what is the issue. But anyway, I just want to take this opportunity to brief you on some proposals we have received. When I had visited the province of Riau, particularly the Pekanbaru city, the office of the mayor himself rather, he indicated that Pekanbaru city has been identified as a smart city project where they are laying emphasis on e-governance and e-solutions to urban problems. Now, at this point, they are still in the process of working out a concrete proposal for us. So because of that, they found it not appropriate to join today's meeting since they were in the midst of formulating the proposal. But from what we understand is that the province is having 2 major components of their smart city initiative. One is the city improvement, which may be called as like a retrofitting, and a city renewal, which is a redevelopment or city extension. So under retrofitting, they basically have about 1,000 acres, which they want to develop and to make it as a model city based on some of the smart cities in ASEAN region. So they are basically looking at e-governance, especially when it comes to utility services pertaining to the citizens on a daily basis. Particularly to relating to daily transactions. So they want some e-governance solutions for that. And secondly, they want e-governance related to citizen participation in social projects and sustainable environment. Now we are awaiting details as to what specific projects they have in mind. And some of the other areas where they have indicated that they need e-solutions from Indian companies, they did mention about Indian companies, is solid waste management urban mobility and public transport, affordable housing, banking solution, IT connectivity, digitization, and as well as in the area of health and education. So this is in short is what we heard from them. We don't have anything in writing from them. So the purpose of just giving a heads up of this project, of this forthcoming project, is to just to sensitize ESC on the potential opportunities that may come up in the near future from this region. So what we expect in the next few days is that we would receive a concrete proposal, and then we would seek the advice and assessment from Indian entities, which would also include ESC. Then we will take it forward, and once we have some kind of so once we agree on what is possible and what is not possible between what they want and what we can offer, and perhaps then at that point we could probably have a video conference with the dedicated team of from that region and the Indian entity. So basically, I just wanted to brief ESC on some forthcoming opportunities in this sector. And I just also want to add that before the onset of COVID, the mayor of this province, of this city, in fact, wanted to visit India with his team. And he was in the process of, requesting for our facilitation for such meetings. But then after the COVID happened, as you can expect, this process could not be taken forward. But we have reconnected with them, and let's hope that they come up with a concrete project proposal, and then we'll share it with you. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Raghu Gururaj.
My name is Raghu Gururaj. Sorry, it's my fault. My name is Raghu Gururaj. I am the Consul General in Medan. I should have introduced myself. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for informing us about the various projects, opportunities in the smart city project, especially in the smart city project, e-governance sector. And we
look forward to working with you.
Yes. Look forward to. Yeah. Thank you very much, and we hope to receive more details of the same.
Definitely, we will reconnect with you as soon as we have the information. Thank you so much.
Very much.
And we will share the list of Indian companies with Mr. Narayanan shortly, and also the list of Indonesian companies with all Indian delegates in the next half an hour, so that both the sides can proceed further. Thank you very much.
Sure. And lastly, Ibu Hardini, once again, I'll request you to take this forward among your members. I'm sure there's a lot of you would have seen the sort of the snapshots of what in for the Indonesian companies from your sector and as well as for others. So I'll request you if you can take this forward as a message once you get more details from the ESC, if you can relay it to your members. And thank you once again for participating at our invitation. Thank you.
I want to inform you, in end of January, we will have a big conference for a national conference. All the contractors will be gathered and then meet. And then this is attending by the President of Jokowi, also with the ministers. So this is good opportunities if on this event in January, we can do some company from your side, from India, collaboration, contract, or MOU on the stage, something like that. We can publish that we have a good cooperation, especially in the ICT field.
Sure. Can you tell me what is the event you are talking about in December this year? It will be virtual, obviously, but what is the event?
event is Munas. Munas is Musyawarah Nasional. That is a meeting, national meeting for all contractor association.
Great,
For
great.
for Gapensi, yeah. So
Sure. Sure,
yeah,
sure, sure. What I will request Ibu Hardini is that during the course of the deliberations, if you
yes,
can give one or two segments for the ESC, the the today's host, the Electronic Software Export Promotion Council, or its lead members, then they can give an exhaustive presentation at the
yes,
Munas conference as to what they can offer in the process of the forging the partnerships.
yes, excellent. So it's because of for this conference, attending by around 1,000 until 2,000 people will
I
attend
understand.
the conference.
I know. I've been here for more than 2 years. Indonesia has got wonderful, platforms for companies all over the world. So that is
Yes,
why Indonesia is is actually the biggest market in ASEAN and the
yes,
fourth populous country in the world. So obviously, I have seen that also in the main event, the Trade Expo Indonesia,
yes,
which is the mecca of all the trade events in Indonesia. So I'm
yes,
sure it will be a big event. So look forward to it.
yes. Okay, let's do collaboration.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, Mr. Gupta, then
Yeah.
please share the details with us.
Narayanan, can I add something?
Oh yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, thank you. To further to what I said regarding the proposal from the Riau province, we have just received an email where they have highlighted some areas under e-governance. They have said that public information and grievance redressal, electronic service delivery, citizen engagement, and they mentioned something like citizens, cities, eyes and ears. I don't know what it is. Video crime monitoring and smart meters and management. And yeah, these are some of the specific areas under e-governance where they seek smart solutions. So I don't know whether this would be helpful to ESC.
Yes, yes, of course. I think all the areas which you have mentioned relates to
Okay.
ESC, and we can definitely find out some good companies who can give some good solutions for all these areas.
Okay. All right. So what the way forward is probably to create a common platform, let's say in the next 2-3 weeks,
Yeah.
subject to convenience of the mayor's office, where probably we would request them to make a presentation on what they actually want. And probably you can react to that, and that would be much better, and then take it forward. Then we can prune it further into specific areas. We can
Yes, I
probably
think
give them
that's a
out,
good
give
idea.
them a common platform. So we will work in this direction now that we have got a half quasi proposal. So we'll take it forward. We will keep in touch after. I will get back to them and see when they are when it's suitable for them to come on board a virtual meeting.
Sure, sir. We look forward to that.
Thank you.
Mr. Narayan, are there any companies who would like to give their introduction? I can see few names, Honda
Guru,
and
yeah, let me check with
Yeah,
my
yeah.
colleague.
Actually, Mr. Hendra Kusama is from one of the companies in Medan, but I was told that he would rather listen.
okay.
So he's in listening mode. So we did make a request to him, but he's listening. He says I'm okay, so he wants to listen.
Yeah, I can see that in chat. And Hondoko, is there anybody? Okay, now I think with this we'll have to end this session. With your permission, Your Excellency, Mr. Raghu Gururaj, I think we can end the session.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
I would like to officially thank His Excellency Mr. Raghu Gururaj, Consul General of India, Medan, Ms. B. Narayanan, Ms. Hardini from National Contractor Agency, and participants from both India and Indonesia for this excellent meeting. And we hope that this meeting will be helpful in some good, tie-ups in future. And we look forward to receiving more details from our Consul General regarding the smart city projects in Riau province. And we look forward to meeting again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.